Hey guys, this is my second video on the channel and today I'm gonna change the oil filter. I already know how to open the hood and easily located the oil filter cap. I didn't have any special tools, but no worries, Grandpa's wrench is here. Just a little twist and it's undone. Judging by the filter, this car definitely needs an oil change. I haven't seen any metal shavings on the filter nor in oil filter housing. Replacing an O-ring. Oil filter cap is clean, so we can put new filter and put it back to the car. And that's it for today. In the next episode we're gonna change